Are you tired of struggling to make money? What if I told you there's a way to earn effortlessly with AI bots? Imagine a world where technology works for you, generating passive income while you sleep. Let's unlock your financial freedom together. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve customer service, streamline operations, and increase revenue. AI chatbots are the perfect solution. Imagine this. A customer visits your website in the middle of the night, needing help with a product. Instead of waiting until morning for customer service, they're greeted by your AI chatbot, ready to assist 24/7. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your time and resources, allowing you to focus on growing your business. By automating these processes, businesses can save time and money, while also increasing efficiency and productivity. Now that you understand the incredible potential of AI chatbots, let's talk about how you can create your own and start generating income. Platforms like OpenAI and Poe provide powerful tools and resources that make building sophisticated chatbots easier than ever before. With intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality, you can create a fully functional chatbot in just a few hours. You can train your chatbot on specific topics, industries, or even your own unique products and services, ensuring that it provides accurate and valuable information to your users. Once your chatbot is up and running, the monetization possibilities are endless. In today's digital age, lead generation is crucial for any business. AI chatbots can revolutionize how you capture leads. Imagine a potential customer greeted by your friendly AI chatbot. The chatbot tailors its messaging and offers special promotions in real time. Lead generation becomes automated and highly effective. Understanding your customers is key to building a successful business, and what better way to gain insights into their needs and preferences than by asking them directly? AI chatbots provide a powerful platform for conducting surveys and collecting valuable customer feedback. Imagine this. You've just launched a new product and want to gather feedback from your customers. Instead of sending out lengthy email surveys that often go unanswered, you deploy your AI chatbot. The chatbot can initiate conversations with customers who have recently purchased the product, asking them targeted questions about their experience. By leveraging AI chatbots for surveys and feedback, you can gather actionable data that drives business growth and customer loyalty. Providing exceptional customer support is crucial but can be time-consuming and expensive. AI chatbots offer instant, personalized support 24/7 without breaking the bank. Instead of waiting, customers are greeted by your helpful AI chatbot. The chatbot can access order info, track shipments, and answer FAQs instantly. This frees up human agents for more complex issues, improving efficiency. E-commerce is a rapidly growing industry, and competition is fierce. To stand out, you need to provide a seamless and engaging shopping experience. AI chatbots transform how you interact with customers and sell products. Customers can ask your AI chatbot questions directly. The chatbot provides instant answers and personalized recommendations. It guides them through checkout, making shopping smooth and enjoyable. Increase engagement, reduce cart abandonment, and drive more sales. As the demand for AI chatbots continues to grow, so too does the need for skilled professionals who can build and implement them. This presents an incredible opportunity for you to share your knowledge and expertise by becoming an instructor and creating your own courses on chatbot development. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera make it easier than ever to create and sell online courses, reaching a global audience of eager learners. You can create courses for beginners, teaching them the fundamentals of chatbot development, or more advanced courses for experienced programmers looking to expand their skill set. The best part? Once you create your course, it becomes a passive income stream, generating revenue for you while you sleep. Thank you for being willing to listen. You now have the knowledge and tools to unlock your financial freedom with AI bots. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start building your own AI chatbots. Explore the endless monetization possibilities, and watch as your income grows exponentially. please like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow Leroya Brown at leroyabrown.ca to discover more.